Do you like waiting? Chances are the answer to this question is absolutely not. And if that's the case, then this is the perfect video for you. Because in this tutorial, I will show you how with this incredibly simple and brand new strategy, you can get big results within a few days. Because you don't need any previous experience or knowledge whatsoever for this to work. However, the one and only catch is that you need to put in some work right after watching this video for this to work. The money won't just fall from the sky with you doing nothing to earn it, but nevertheless, this is still as easy of a job as it can get. Just before we start with this tutorial, guys, as always, make sure you tap the like button down below and subscribe to my channel for more videos that are to come. With that said, let's jump straight into this strategy now. The very first platform you will need to go over to is Fiverr.com. And right off the bat, let's make this clear. We will not be working as freelancers, nor will we pay any freelancer to do the work for us. Nothing like that. This is instead a very different strategy in comparison, and as you will soon see, it can make you big money online. First off though, let me explain what Fiverr is, since not everybody watching this video has heard of it. Fiverr is a freelancing site, so when you come on here, you either do so as a customer or as someone looking for work, and you can do a bunch of different online jobs on Fiverr. For example, if you have a good knowledge of English or some other language, you can proofread articles and books and get paid big time. If you happen to have some computer skills relating to design, then you can get paid for creating YouTube thumbnails, for example. If you happen to be someone with good video editing skills, you can get paid for that, and so on. There are just so many things you can do on Fiverr and get paid. Now, with that said, as I said before, we won't be working as freelancers. And this is why I won't be going over all this platform's features with you guys. After all, not only can you do that yourselves, but the features themselves aren't that relevant for us. So let's now jump straight into what you need to do once you come over onto Fiverr.com. That will be to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the homepage, and you will now want to find and click on Affiliates. That will be located right under the Community section right over here. So yes, we do want to promote Fiverr as an affiliate, and I really want you to keep watching because not only do I have multiple traffic sources to share with you, but I also want to share some details about Fiverr's affiliate program and how it works. It is not your typical affiliate program, and here's why. As you can see, they offer two different ways for you to earn money, either through the Fiverr CPA system and the Fiverr hybrid system. This is so much different than other websites where you'll simply have a commission rate that never changes, unless they change it themselves for whatever reason, but that happens quite rarely. In any case, Fiverr's affiliate system is much different. And let me now elaborate what the differences are between Fiverr CPA and Fiverr hybrid. Simply put, Fiverr CPA is a one-time payment between $15 and $150. The amount of money you earn depends on what service the customer purchases. Meanwhile, the Fiverr hybrid system offers you a fixed amount of money per customer, $10 plus you get a 10% revenue Fiverr got from that same customer. In other words, you earn less money, but it's in recurring commissions. It's not a one-time payment. And so, depending on what your referrals will purchase, you will pick between these two. If you know someone is going to pay for a service that will generate you a lot of money, then you go with Fiverr CPA. If you know someone is going to purchase something that doesn't pay that much, you go for Fiverr hybrid, as simple as that. Generally speaking, though, most people will purchase services that will not make you that much money, and this is why I would recommend you guys go with Fiverr hybrid here. It's much more reliable, to put it that way. You will earn money passively and a decent amount all the time. Meanwhile, with Fiverr CPA, only sometimes will you get paid a lot of money, but even then, it's just a one-time payment, not passive income at all. With that explanation out of the way, let me now show you what you need to do in order to sign up to Fiverr's affiliate program. You will want to come back to this page here and click on Start Earning Now. On the next page, you first need to select your account type, which obviously will be private. Enter in your full name in these two boxes, your email address goes just below, then your password, which you want to retype as confirmation. Select your country, and by the way, you can see that Fiverr works almost completely worldwide. Chances are, no matter where you are from, that this website will work in your country. Once you select your country of origin, you will need to choose your language. Enter in your phone number, as Skype is not mandatory, and you will click on Next below to proceed to enter in the rest of your information. Once you sign up to your new Fiverr account, the next step will be to grab affiliate links for one particular offer on Fiverr. And the services I recommend you focus on are ones relating to YouTube, so voiceovers, video editing, YouTube thumbnail design, graphic design in general, and so on. And you really want to invest a bit of time into finding someone who has excellent reviews and is a top-rated seller, like this person here I'm just using as an example. And from there, you will want to go over to one or both of the two traffic sources I have for you. The first one is Facebook, and what you will need to do is select Facebook groups here and type in YouTube Cash Cow or YouTube Automation. What this will now show you is groups where you can find people that are excellent potential customers, because think about it, they're in a group relating to YouTube automation. This means they most likely own a channel where they don't want to do any work at all and are willing to pay someone to do it for them. So when you send them an affiliate link to some person who is doing voiceovers, for example, and the person has excellent reviews, there is a huge chance they will at least have a look at what you're promoting because, as I said, these people are all excellent potential customers. What you guys will basically do is first off join all of these groups that you can find. And then you can either contact the individuals within the groups or just leave a post. And in the post, you can say something like, "This guy or girl has the best voiceover. This person is excellent at video editing, highly recommended," and so on. And there's a huge chance you will get a lot of clicks and most likely purchases, and you will earn a lot of money every single time that happens, and passively as well. For those of you who do have some money to spare though and are willing to invest a bit of money to get a huge return on your investment, then this traffic source is a much better option than Facebook, and I left it in the description box below. Not only will you get a lot more purchases and thus make a lot more money, but this software will literally do everything for you so you don't have to bother with anything. It will put your link in front of millions of buyers, as is said on their homepage here. Buyers that will have money to spare and won't think twice about investing some money whatsoever. Moreover, this works in any niche, as you can see. So with this software, which you just have to pay for once, you can make money from promoting multiple affiliate links relating to anything, not just your Fiverr link. Furthermore, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee, as you can see, meaning that you aren't even risking your money whatsoever. Once again, guys, if you do want to give this a try, this is the first link in the description box below. If you're not that certain and just don't want to risk it, feel free to use Facebook groups. You'll be able to get traffic in that way as well, nonetheless. If you want to make even more money, then be sure to watch one of the two videos you see on your screen right now. And with that said, this is it for today. As always, leave a thumbs up below if you liked this video, and if you want to see more, then subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any of them. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you all soon in some of the upcoming videos.